In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a filter in Jira. Filters in Jira are a powerful way to quickly find the issues that matter most to you and your team. Instead of running the same search over and over again, you can save it once as a filter and reuse it anytime, or even share it with others. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through the process step by step. And by the end, you'll have a reusable filter you can rely on in your daily work. First, open your Jira instance and make sure you're logged in with the account you normally use. From the main navigation at the top, look for the Filters option. Depending on your Jira version, this may appear as Filters or Issues, but you're looking for the section where you can search and manage issues. Click that, and then choose the option to view all issues or advanced search. This will bring you to the search screen where filters are created. On the search screen, you'll see options to narrow down your issues. If you're in basic mode, you'll have drop-downs like project, issue type, status, assignee, and so on. Start by choosing the project you want to work with. Then, select any other criteria that match what you want this filter to show. For example, all open bugs assigned to you, or all tasks in a specific sprint. Take your time to adjust these fields until the list of issues below looks exactly how you want your filter to behave. If you're comfortable with Jira Query Language or JQL, you can switch to advanced mode. There you can type a more precise query, like filtering by multiple statuses, labels, or custom fields. This is especially useful in larger projects or when your requirements are more specific. After entering or adjusting your query, run the search and confirm that the results are correct. Once you're happy with the search results, it's time to save them as a filter. Look for the option at the top of the page that says Save As or Save Filter. Click that and give your filter a clear, descriptive name so you and your teammates instantly understand what it does. You can also add a short description to provide extra context. After saving, your new filter will appear under your filters list. From there, you can mark it as a favorite for quick access, or adjust permissions so others on your team can use it. That's all there is to it. You've created a Jira filter that you can reuse, share, and even hook into dashboards and boards to keep your work organized and visible.